Hi viewers, welcome to ABC. Okay, today we are discussing about a exam paper. What is that exam paper? That is a analogy conducted in Keshav Reddy School. That is a math purpose. What is meant by analogy? First, analyze the relation. In this, I have explained already three categories. What are that? Word analogy, number analogy, and then letter analogy. Depending upon these three, we are conducting a 15 marks exam. Now, these are the questions. Now, first 5 questions are depending upon word analogy, and next 5 is number analogy. Next 5 is letter analogy. In word analogy, we have to know a vocabulary sense and also spelling. Now, first question. What is the first question? Now, touch, feel, greet. We have to first meaning get this one. Okay. Now, touch is related to that of feel. Okay. Touch చేస్తే ఖచ్చితంగా ఫీలింగ్ కలుగుతుంది. ఓకే. ఎట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రీడ్ అభినందనలు ఎప్పుడు తెలుపుతామండి? ఆఫ్టర్ అక్నాలెడ్జ్. ఆఫ్టర్ అక్నాలెడ్జ్. వాట్ ఈస్ మెంట్ బై అక్నాలెడ్జ్? గుర్తింపు. ఓకే. ఎట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఓకే దట్ పర్సన్ అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్ ఇస్ గుర్తింపు వచ్చినాకనే ఖచ్చితంగా మనం గ్రీటింగ్స్ అభినందనలు అనేది తెలుపుతాం. ఓకే. నౌ సెకండ్ వన్ హౌస్, రూమ్, వరల్డ్. ఓకే. హౌస్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ దట్ ఆఫ్ రూమ్. హౌ క్యాన్ వి world is related that of okay by adding of all the rooms we can frame a house. By adding of lands, what are the lands? No meaning. By adding of suns, world, no meaning. By adding of air, no meaning. By combination of national, that is a nation, there is a Bharat or Pakistan, like that. All the mixing of these we can form a one world with a nations, that is a with the help of a states we can form a nations. With the help of a nation we can frame a world, like that. Now the third question, ink, pen, blood. Okay, what are the relation of ink and pen? Always ink is in pen. Okay, now blood is in the form, okay, blood is donated. This is a process. Now blood is with the help of doctor, there is no relation, and blood with the help of at the time of accident we can get a blood. Sometimes it getting a blood or else not one. What is meant by vein? Now vein is our answer. What is meant by vein? Always blood is in vein. Okay, this is a body parts, like that. These are all the three questions. Now next, that is fourth question. What is the fourth question? Good related to bad. What is about roof? Okay, what are this one? Good related to bad means totally opposite. It is the antonym of good is bad. What is the roof? Totally opposite. Roof is top of a house. Now we need a bottom of a house. Bottom of a room is always floor. Where is that floor? Floor is required answer. Okay, next question, that is fifth question. Flow, river. Always river flows. What is meant by flow? Kadalika. Okay, always river is not at a same place, it is moving. Okay, now stagnant means same place, there is no motion. Stagnant means niluva undali. Okay, flow ekkadekada untundandi? River lo untundi or else in the seas or somewhere. Okay, now stagnant is always at a fixed place. Now canal is not a fixed place. Stream means it is in a sea stream. Okay, rain water is also moving from one place to the another place. Okay, now this is also not. Now pool. What is meant by pool? It is a water pool means stagnant, only fixed place. The water is totally stored at a one of the place, that is called as a pool. Okay, these are all the 5 questions of word analogy. Now sixth question. What is that one? 525 is to 25 double is to 315. They are asking for a last, that is fourth one. Okay, I need an options also. Why? Because with the respect of options only we can think. In this chapter concept is not working. Okay, only with the help of options sometimes it is getting another answers. Okay, now 525 is become has 25 here, 315 is become has which one? Now the value is decreased. And this is a 25 is a multiple of 25 is a factor of 525. How many times it is cancelled? With the help of 25, 5 4 20, that is 21. With the help of 21 it is exactly cancelled. Now 315 also cancelled with 25. Now 315 is cancelled with 21. 3 7s 3 105, 7 1s 7 15s. Now what is the answer? Our required answer is 15. Now the 15 is our required answer. Okay, right? Next, Seventh question. Now 7 is to 133, double is to 9 is to, what is that one? We need a options now. Now 147, 99, 171, 158. Okay, we need a 7 becomes 133, 9 becomes, what is that number? Okay, next what we have to do? From look at these numbers and these numbers. Okay, what happened this one? 7 becomes 133. Okay, at what time the 7 is 133? Now 133 by 7 is there is exactly cancel with or not? I will check. 7 ones 7. Now 63, that is 19 times. Now this one is getting multiplication of 19. Now we have to repeat the same operation for 19. 19 nines 171. That is getting a number. We need a 171. Otherwise, is there any other logic we have to do? Okay, here it is 133. 1 plus 3 plus 3. What is the number? Becomes a 7. Okay, with the help of options, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 7, 12. There is no here. 9 plus 9, 18, no. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 5, 14, no. Now 1 plus 7 plus 1. Now getting a answer of 9. In any logic, we are getting a answer of 171 is our requirement answer. Okay, next. 8th question. What is the 8th question? 29 is to 319 is to 23 is to next number. Now 251, 115, now 46 and then 151. Now we are looking. Now 29 becomes 321. By which number? 319 by 29. Getting a cancel of 1, 29 means 1. Now with the help of 11. Now here 23 is there. 23 by 11. From here to here divided with, multiplication with 11. Now from here to here multiplication with 11. Okay, whenever multiplication with 11, 11 3 is 33. Now the last digit is 3. Is there any 3 here? No, that why this is not a correct logic. Okay, what is the logic behind? Okay, why we are doing only with the multiplication with 11? Okay, that is what we have to see. Okay, ఇక్కడ 11 తోనే ఎందుకు చేశారండి? What are the numbers here? 2 and 9. That is 2 plus 9 is equal to 11 here. The same thing must be repeated here. 2 plus 3 is 5. That's why we are also multiplying with a 5 anamata. Now 23 into 5. 23 into 5 means 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 115. Where is that answer? We needed an answer of 115. What is that number? We need a 115. Okay, first మనం డివిజన్ ఏందో చూసాం. అసలు ఆ డివిజన్ చేయాల్సిన నెంబర్ ఏంటో కూడా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా. ఓకే, for the previous 2 questions same number, but here different number. Why with the options are not set here? Why for the options only we are doing this one? What is that way? 29 into 11 here. Why 11? 2 plus 9 11, 2 plus 3 5. That's why we are taking a 5 here. Okay, depending upon options the analogy chapter is depends. Okay, right? Next question, that is 9th question. What is the 9th question? 1 by 9, 1 by 81, 1 by 13. Okay, in our mindset simply one logic is there, same one repeated. Here it is 9 square, here it is 13 square, that is 169. 1 by 169 is there in the options. We have to blindly go for that option, otherwise we are thinking in a different way. Okay, now what are the options here? 1 by 109, 1 by 125, 1 by 120, 1 by 169. 1 by 169 is there exactly here. That's why we have to go with this option. Otherwise 1 by 169 not there in the option. What we have to do? Whenever 1 by, okay, here it is 1 by 117 is there in the option. For suppose What we have to do? Without 169, 117. What is the logic here? Same number, same number. Now 9 is multiplied with 9 times, 13 is also multiplied with 9 times. 13 9s 117. Like that you have to think. Whenever 169 is there in the option, we have to go for this one. Okay, we have to match the mindset with a examiner who prepared the paper. Okay, like next question. Next, 10th question. 11 is to 132. 11 is to 132. Now, okay, already I told that sometimes they give two numbers also. We have to find a pair of numbers also. Now, these type of questions we needed a compulsory options. We cannot think what is the logic behind. Okay, now that is 10 is to 100. 9 is to 90, 13 is to 169, now 15 is to 250. Now first of all go with the options. Here it is 10 square, but 11 square is 121. This option is wrong. Here also 13 square, this option is wrong. Now the only two options are there. Now 132 is a multiple of 11 by how many times? 11 into 12. Now the same must be here. I will apply. Now here it is 9. 9 12s 84. There is no here. But 15 12s how much? 15 12s 180. Is there? Is also no there. That is not multiplied with 12. One of the number is multiplied from the left to right. Now here it is 9 to 10. Here it is exactly not cancelled. Is it cancelled exactly? It is not exactly cancelled. Not a multiple. By what is the relation now? Here it is 11. After the 11, which natural number is there? 12, 11, 12. Now here it is 9. After 9, which natural number is coming? 10. 9 tens, 90. Now the logic is 9 is to 90 is our required answer. Okay, right? Next, already 10 questions are over. Now 11 to 15 questions. These are all which type analogy? This is a using a letters, that is lettered analogy. These are the last 5 questions. Now these 50 total 15 questions. Now these 5 questions are going to explain. Now what is the first one? Now this one is CFDB is changed into XUWY. What is the logic behind this one? Okay, what I told, if there is any logic you have to take directly, otherwise you have to take this one into a number. Okay, this one is not given exactly. Okay, for suppose look at the second one. This is also somewhat difficult. What about third one? This is also somewhat difficult. What about fourth one? Okay, once go through with this, I told that the numbers or letters are repeated. Here it is ITEM. Here also ITEM. Now ACHE is there. These letters are must be repeated, but in a one order. What is the order behind this one? Now ITME. Next here I is in the first place. Now here I is in the second place. Now T is in the second place. Now T is in the third place. E is in the third place. Now E is in the fourth place. What is the logic behind this one? One number must be moved to the right side. Okay, move to the right side. Move to right. Now this first number is moved to another right side. Okay, now here it is first place, this is moved to the second place. Now 1 is moved to the second place. Now C is next. Now E is next. What about the E? Sorry, ACH. What about E? Now E is comes to the first place. What is the word? EACH. Where is that option? EACH is in your third option. Okay, whenever these 5 questions are given, you have to go through with your first question. Which one is easy to do in a less number of time? Now move to this one. Okay, this is also somewhat difficult. Okay, that's why now these are in not in a one particular order. That's why what we have to do, give a numbers to first one. Okay, what is the number C? That is 3. What is the number F? That is 6. What is the number D? That is 4. What is the number B? That is 2. Okay, what is the number X? What is the number X? That is 24. Now this one is 21. Now this one is 23. Now this one is 25. Like that. These are all the numbers first. Now next, what we have to do? These 3 and 24 is take it as 27. Now 6, this one and this one. Now addition of any letters become as a 27. That logic is repeated now. That same logic is repeated now. Okay, what is the logic of when first number the plus, second one gives rise to 27? That is 27 means opposite letters. Opposite letters. Now what is the number G? What is the number J and H and F? You have to take it as a opposite. What is the opposite? Whenever it is a G is 7. Like that. Now G is 7, we have to add which number? Now having a 20, now gives a 27. Sorry. 20 adding, it gives a 27. Now this one is 20. What is the 20th letter? That is take it as a T. Now first option and last option is going erased. Now second and third is there. Now you take it as a one letter. Okay, I am taking last letters is same. Already U and U. Now the difference is S and Q. S and Q. What is the letter H? This is 8. Now which number is needed that side? 19. What is the 19th one? That is a S. Okay, this one is S. Now this one is Q. Okay, what is that letter? That is a T, Q, S, U. Okay, right? Next, move to the, what is this one? Opposite. We are taking opposite letter also. Otherwise, first number plus here first number adding gives a 27 is our resultant. Okay, right? Next. Now this one is BCD, Q, P, O, E, F, G. Okay, we have getting a one logic here. Okay, we are getting a two logics. For suppose B is 2, 3, 4 here. The number is in increasing order. Now here also 5, 6, 7. Okay, some logic is set here. Okay, now here increasing order, here also increasing order. What about this one? What about this one? After O, 15, 16, 17. Now in this one BCD is in increasing order. Now this one is in decreasing order. Otherwise you have to add these first letters. Getting an answer of what is 19. Here also 19. Here also 19. Like that also you frame. Here it is 5. For 19 which number must be added? We have to add number 14. What is the 14th letter? Like that also we have frame. But now the 14th letter is, what is the 14th letter? We take it as a N. Is there N here? There is no N here. That's why we have to skip a one logic. What is that logic? Now the numbers are in increasing order. Here also in increasing order. But here it is in decreasing order. Now where is numbers are in decreasing order? That's why we have to take. Okay. Look at here. R, S, T. Here it is in increasing order. Here increasing order or not? G, H, I, J. Now here it is increasing order. Now this one is not in order. Now we have a TSR and IJH. Now you have to take. This one is 2, 17. 3, 16. D, 15. Now the same logic must be here. Here it is E is 5. Now here it is adding of 14. That is getting a 9. What is the 14th letter? We needed a N. Is there any? Okay. I will take this one as a 20, 18, 19, 20. What about this one? G, H. H is 8, 9, 10. Now 2 plus 17 is equal to 19. But 5 plus 20, 6 plus, okay, 7 plus 18. These are also setting. Now this one is a 10, 5, 9, 6, 8, 7. Both options are getting correct here. Okay. Now first option or last option, both are correct. Okay. Now next, A, B, E, F, I, J, M, G. What is the logic behind? This one is taken as 1, 2, 5, 6. What is the value of I? 9, 10, 13, 14. Now values are here also increasing order, here also in increasing order. Which one is added? Plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. Now take it as a plus 8 for the all the values. Now plus 8 is adding of this. By getting of these 3, 4, 8, 7. By adding of these, which one you have to take? plus 8 means 3 plus 8, 11. Now 11th one is k, right? Now the only question is last question. What we have to do? Which number it is? 14. Now this one is 13. Only some simple numbers we have to take, and then what is the next number we have to find. Now here it is, after from n to p. What is the logic? Now m to o. What is the logic? After which number is coming? After n, which number is exit here? After m, n, o is missing, p is there. Here also after m, n missing, o is there. One missing means adding of number 2 or one miss value. You have to take like that. Okay. Here plus 8 or 7 miss, like that. By adding of 2 for the next this one. Okay. Here it is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Which number is 22? That is we are taking directly, it is a TVXZ. Now this option is correct for this one. Okay, these are all the 15 question conducted exam has a which one, that is analogy. Okay, thank you. If you are any doubt in this session also, please ask in a comment section. I will reply to you children. Okay, thank you.